Hey YouTube, it's Sean, and this is part 2. Got it all fixed up. Bring you in here. Got it riveted up, and we got it all sealed up. So now, let's see if it works. At least, let's see if we got suction. Okay? Alright, so we got our 12 volts hooked up right there. That's the best part about 12 volts. You don't have to worry about hurting yourself, right? But I got this, well, it's thicker than printer paper. It's a Harbor Freight spring assortment. It's thicker, so it's taking it from me. Yeah, it's sucking. Alright, so let's put the nozzle on it now, guys, and see what we got. Let's see what we built. Be right back. Alright guys, I tried to make a video showing you guys the actual welding of these parts, but as you know, cameras don't get along with welders, so I recreated it with a simple piece of paper, and it's the same effect as welding. Let's bring you guys in here if we can. Okay, there's the pipe right here. But we're just sucking these fumes from this burning piece of paper. I just set it right where I'd be welding, and it's going right outside. There we go, guys. It's working. It's working good. All I have to do now is put a funnel on this thing to where it's a little bigger, so we're got more area. But it's right here where I weld, and it's sucking the smoke right outside. Yeah, see? Hold it there and fire takes off. It's got some huge suction for a little fan. Alright guys, it works. Remember, if you watch it, thumbs up. Take care guys. Bye bye.